Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I want to talk to you about these awesome black leather shoes that I have. I like how comfortable they are. If you look at the inside of the shoe, right away you can tell how soft it is and how comfortable it feels in your feet. I really like the design. I think it's super elegant. I think it looks great with any suit. And I like that they're not too tight, they're not too rigid, they're a little bit flexible, so it feels nice on your feet, especially if you have to use these shoes for a few hours. I wear these shoes for about 3 to 4 times a week, and to me they still look great. They still look in great condition, which shows how good quality these are. So if you're looking for a great pair of dress shoes, I really recommend these ones, and that is my point of view.